The most important thing in today's world is our focus and attention. Most of us wanted to know how to increase our focus and attention on the things which is most important in our life. And for some reasons, we can't able to do it, like our most important task, everyday task, which we want to do, but for some reasons we can't able to कंप्लीट दोज टास्क। तो क्या ये हमारी प्रॉब्लम है कि हम कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं इम्पॉर्टेंट टास्क जो हम डे टू डे लाइफ में करते हैं, और क्या ये कोई आउटसाइड फोर्सेस है जो हमारे फोकस को स्टील करती है? तो मैंने रिसेंटली में ये बुक रीड की, स्टोलन फोकस बाय द ऑथर योहान हारी। एंड इन दिस बुक योहान टॉक्स अबाउट द साइकोलॉजी बिहाइंड आवर अटेंशन एंड फोकस एंड व्हाई दिस आउटसाइड फोर्सेस प्रीटी मच causes the problem of focus and attention. When we can't able to concentrate because of this attention crisis, we can't able to do these three activities, which is the most important activities to perform when it comes to concentrate and focus and increasing our attention. So the first thing is to find flow, and second is to read, and the third one is to think. And these three activities are the most important things. And हम लोग इसी तीन चीज़ के बारे में, तीन एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में बात करेंगे, क्यों ये ज़रूरी है एंड हम लोग क्यों ये नहीं कर पा रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अटेंशन क्राइसिस। सो बिफोर वी गेट टू these three activities, the author have done so many research and talked to so many authors who have written many books around productivity and focus and how to do our everyday tasks. Books like Deep Work, which talks about how to get into this flow state, which we will be going to talk about later in this video. And also Hyper Focus by Chris Bailey, which also talks about how to manage our attention. And one of my favorite books, Getting Things Done, which provide you like 5-step framework system. Applying those framework system, you can perform any task. This book talks about pretty much all of the productivity side of the things, but this Stolen Focus talks about the psychology behind our attention and focus, and which is the most important thing. So let's talk about the first thing, to find flow. And flow is the most highest level of form of focus and attention, and this is very hard to do in this modern life of where we are distracted by so many things. And Hari talks about like why this is so much important to do. When you are focused, when you are fully concentrated, like you do 100% of the activity that you are doing it. Flow is that kind of activity where you are so much involved in an activity, there's nothing can distract you. You are pretty much giving your 100% concentration on the thing, and also that thing is very pretty much important in your life. So ऑथर कहते हैं हमें जो डिफ़िकल्टी होती है फ्लो स्टेट में जाने के लिए, इसका कॉज है द साइकोलॉजिकल थ्योरी ऑफ बिहेवियरिज्म। सो इन द 1930s साइकोलॉजिस्ट B.F. स्किनर ने डिस्कवर किया हम एनिमल्स से कोई भी काम करा सकते हैं अगर हम उनको लास्ट में एक रिवॉर्ड दें। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम किसी मंकी से कोई काम कराना हुआ, अगर हम उस काम के एंड में उसे एक बनाना दें तो वो काम वो हर बार करने के लिए रेडी होगा। अकॉर्डिंग टू हारी, स्किनर एक्सटेंडेड दिस रिसर्च टू ह्यूमंस, सेइंग वी डोंट हैव अ रियल फ्रीडम ऑफ चॉइस, we pay attention to what the society or environment train us to pay attention to, and we also crave for a reward at the end of every task that we perform. भले ही वो काम हमें पसंद ना आता हो, लेकिन अगर हमें रिवॉर्ड पे किया जाए तो उस काम को करने के लिए हम लोग हमेशा तैयार होंगे। अकॉर्डिंग टू हारी, जो रिसर्च है स्किनर ने की थी, ये बेसिस ऑफ अटेंशन ग्रैबिंग मैकेनिज्म है जो कि मॉडर्न डे लाइफ में परफेक्ट फिट बैठती है। जैसे कि कोई सोशल मीडिया पे हम पोस्ट करते हैं तो वो जो लाइक्स और कमेंट्स हमें आते हैं वो हमारे डोपामिन को बढ़ाते हैं और हम उस चीज़ को बार बार करने के लिए रेडी रहते हैं। तो इस चीज़ को एक्सटर्नल वैलिडेशन बोलते हैं। अब हम उस चीज़ के लिए पूरे एडिक्टिव हो जाते हैं और वो चीज़ हम बार बार करने लगते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दोज रिवॉर्ड्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाइक्स एंड कमेंट्स। एक और स्टडी आती है 1970s में बाय द साइकोलॉजिस्ट मिहेली, उनका लास्ट नेम प्रोनाउंस करना काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है तो मैं स्क्रीन पे दे दूंगा। ये स्किनर की पूरी थ्योरी को रिजेक्ट करते हैं और बात करते हैं पॉजिटिव साइकोलॉजी के बारे में, जो कि आता है पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ माइंड। ये पूरी स्टडी है अबाउट मोटिवेशन, इंटरेस्ट और पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट के बारे में। इन्होंने काफ़ी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को, एथलीट्स को स्टडी किया और ये पता लगाते हैं कि जो भी हम काम करते हैं, ये जो पूरे सक्सेसफुल पर्सन्स हैं, जो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हैं, एथलीट्स हैं, जो भी अपने लेवल पे जो काम करते हैं, ये हमारे कहीं ना कहीं इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर आता है और उस चीज़ से मोटिवेशन हमारा जो होता है वो काम को लेकर के बढ़ जाता है। तो इन्होंने स्किनर की पूरी थ्योरी को रिजेक्ट किया और अपनी ये थ्योरी प्रेजेंट की। तो हारी बात करते हैं कि ये जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, ये बिहेवियरिज्म मैकेनिज्म और पॉजिटिव साइकोलॉजी, ये कहीं ना कहीं हमारे मॉडर्न लाइफ का कोर हिस्सा है और बिहेवियरिज्म मैकेनिज्म हमारी लाइफ को रूल करता है और हमें अगर इसको हटाना होगा तो हमें कहीं ना कहीं पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ माइंड को टैप करना होगा। third activity, which is also very important and becoming very difficult to do because of this attention crisis, it's read and understand. And according to Hari, our day-to-day life becomes very difficult because of these lots of distractions that are going on in our day-to-day life, and becomes very hard to focus on the most important things. And reading is the common flow experience that we can face and we can enjoy. Also, this is very good feeling when you read and go suddenly into the flow state. You are very in a different kind of zone. And I am experiencing this flow state, reading flow state many times, like you can say every day. And this reading flow state becomes more and more enjoyable as you read and go further reading again and again, like every day. And also this becomes very difficult to do because of this attention crisis, and it's most important thing to do. According to Hari, हम लोग बहुत ही कम engage कर पाते हैं बुक के साथ अगर हम on screen reading करते हैं, because the chances are more when you read on screen, you are more likely to skim and scan those text on the pages, because your strategy becomes very different when you read on screen compared to on paper, because you consume very less information and you avoid understanding those complex topics and information, because your mind will not function very properly when you read on screen compared to on paper. The more difficult is to pay attention to, the less we read books, and the less we read books, the less we exercise our cognitive skill that help us to pay attention. Let's talk about the third activity, and that is to think properly. Because of the attention crisis, we are struggling to think properly on the ideas and information that we read, and we can't focus properly. An author talks about we have to do mind wandering to function our brain properly. Our brain can perform three functions when we do mind wandering intentionally. First, it has insights of the complex ideas and information that we don't understand very easily, and it decodes them for us to understand it. Second, it makes new connections between ideas and finds solutions for them. And the third, it prepares us for the future on the basis of the data and ideas, information that we have doing mind wandering. But intentional or unintentional mind wandering है क्या? In the book Hyper Focus, Chris Bailey differentiate करते हैं intentional और unintentional mind wandering. अनइंटेंशनल माइंड वेंडरिंग वो है जो कि डिस्ट्रैक्ट करता है हमारे इंटेंशनल कामों को, बट जब हम इंटेंशनली माइंड वेंडरिंग करते हैं और अकॉर्डिंग टू क्रिस बेली स्कैटर फोकस जब हम परफॉर्म करते हैं, तब हम अपने दिमाग में वर्किंग मेमोरी को अलाउ करते हैं इंटेंशनली माइंड वेंडरिंग के लिए, और ये काम जब होता है तब हम मैक्सिमाइज कर सकते हैं अपने लॉन्ग टर्म और शॉर्ट टर्म बेनिफिट्स को, बिकॉज नाउ यू कैन रिमेंबर योर कनेक्शंस एंड इनसाइट्स फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, एंड यू कांट डू दिस विद द अनइंटेंशनल माइंड वेंडरिंग. नाउ हम लोगों ने समझा कि अटेंशन क्राइसिस क्या है, बट ये होते कैसे हैं, क्या फैक्टर्स हैं और रीजंस हैं अटेंशन क्राइसिस के. So according to Hari, some of the factors or reasons that cause us or lead us to this attention crisis, उसमें से information overload, sleep deprivation or toxins in our food and environment or distracting technology. These are some of the factors that lead us to this attention crisis. When you can't get proper or enough sleep, your brain can't function properly, you get tired, and sleep deprivation के बहुत सारे effects हैं, like your brain can't function properly, you can't dream or you can't pay attention to the important things. Our brain can't store information in its long-term memory, and sleep deprivation fuels the economy system. Our economy relies on people consuming and producing as much as possible, and that can only happen while we are awake, using and consuming their products. Next factor is distracting technology. You see, most of these technology, they are intentionally designed to distract us for their profit. Most of these apps and these screen-based model system algorithms, they are all designed in a way so that they can keep us on their platform as much as possible. Why? Because they make a lot of money. They make millions and billions of money doing this. And they made us a habit of using this type of platforms every day in our life, this liking and commenting on the things, uploading this type of content like every day, and people consume this type of contents every day and they make a lot of money. If you think these are all the free, then you are wrong. One of the best quote that I have heard recently: when you think the product is free, in that case you are the product. Information overload makes it very difficult to focus long enough what we are seeing and hearing, and when the more information is available, our mind struggles to remember those things. Our mind functions decreases. A lot of information is available, your capacity to remembering things is of course very less likely you will remember those things, because there's a lot of information is available out there and your mind can't function properly to remember for a longer period of time, and this becomes a problem. Now we have talked about this attention crisis and some of these factors or reasons that causes to happen this attention crisis. Now let's talk about what we can do to increase our focus and attention. Some of the things that we can do is to have a proper system to remember things, proper system so that we can add our day-to-day tasks in that system. You can write like your everyday tasks, what you want to do, your important tasks, your less important tasks, your intentional tasks that you have to do on that day or on that time. You can create a proper system. I have also made a video on Getting Things Done book, which is by the way the great book on productivity, and you can watch that video. I will put over here somewhere, and you can watch that video. I have explained like 5 framework system that you can perform to do your everyday task. And if you want to know more about flow state, like how to perform flow state, how to do your work into the flow state, full focus mode, full concentration, I have also made a video on how to get into the flow state. I will put that video as well somewhere here, and you can watch that video, watch the full video, like the process and the tips that I have shared in that video. And I also recommend a video for going into the flow state. Make sure you watch the video as well. So thanks for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it, और आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिला, कुछ नई चीज़ जानने को मिली आपके फोकस और अटेंशन के बारे में, और कैसे आपका फोकस स्टील हो रहा है फॉर दिस आउटसाइड सोर्सेस and which are the things that we can't control. So what the things we control is in our hand, and you can watch those sources that I have taken in this video. And आप ये बुक पढ़ सकते हो, Stolen Focus by युवान हारी, मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा, वहाँ से बुक को पढ़ सकते हो। बहुत सारी चीज़ें मेंशन की हुई हैं, बहुत सारे कॉजेस, इफेक्ट्स और क्राइसिस के बारे में उन्होंने बताया है बहुत डीपली। तो ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा अगर सारी चीज़ों को मैं इस वीडियो में रखूँगा तो। So make sure you buy the book as well, and thanks for watching this video again. And if you want more videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, and I will see you guys and talk to you guys with another topics or exciting topics in my next video. Bye.